At Simaudio, we don't believe in changing our models very often because we don't believe in forced obsolescence. We design our products to last a very long time, both in terms of reliability and technology. However, after so many years, the 600 plus range of products has aged to a certain point. And even though many models have morphed into a version 2, it was still time, we felt, to look at launching an entirely new collection of products. This new range of products, which we call the North Collection, will start by replacing most of the products currently in the 600 plus range, and over time will replace all of them.
The North Collection is comprised of 6 new products: the 641 integrated amplifier, the 681 network player and DAC, the 791 network player preamplifier, the 761 power amplifier, the 891 network player preamplifier, and the 861 power amplifier.
Why North? Why do we call it the North Collection? Well, the word North has a significant meaning here at Simaudio, and moreover for many Canadians. First of all, we are a country that is further north than most, but also north signifies a direction to go to move upwards, to aspire to something greater and higher than what we have achieved right now. Hence, calling the new collection North made a lot of sense. We looked a lot at how the market has been changing and what consumers want. And one of the things that was very clear to us is that they're looking for a level of integration and sophistication that is married with a simplicity of operation without any compromise on performance, aka sound quality.
The 641 is an all-analog integrated amplifier. It is a dual mono design, and it has an output of 125 watts per channel into 8 ohms. It has balance on XLR connector and single-ended on RCA. The 681 is an high-performance network player and DAC. It includes our Mind 2 streaming technology, MHP Moon hybrid power supply, and it also uses the MDE1 technology for the DAC. It includes single-ended and balanced connections. And the 681 has a nice feature, which is the MHV, Moon Hybrid Volume. So it can be configured in variable mode, so it can be connected directly into a power amp. The volume can be controlled 2 ways, so either using the app, the Mind 2 application, or the volume control on the BRM1 remote control that is supplied with the 681. I'm really excited about this BRM1 remote control because its volume knob replicates the same feel we have on our preamplifier and amplifier. The BRM1 remote controls comes with all models in the North Collection, obviously besides the power amplifiers. The 891 and 791 network player and preamplifiers have the same functionalities. They both have, obviously, network player capability using our Mind 2 technology, which is the same across the whole line. And they function as a full-featured analog preamplifier as well. They both have a phono stage, and they're configurable in moving magnet or moving coil via the menu system. The 791 uses the MVol3 volume control circuitry, which is an improved version of the MEVol2, which was already considered one of the world's best volume controls. But the 891 uses the MRAY2 volume control, which is an improved version of the MRAY found in the 850p flagship preamplifier. Ray in MRAY stands for array because it's made using discrete components, whereby in the MVol3 it uses integrated circuits. We made it with discrete components to reach the highest level we could, because in the 891 is the very best preamplifier we made. The matching power amplifiers, the Moon 761 and the 861, are respectively at 200 watt per channel at 8 ohms and 300 watt per channel at 8 ohms amplifiers. Both are dual mono design using shielded section for the power supply and the audio section, and they both include MDCA, Moon distortion cancelling amplification.
From an aesthetic standpoint, we looked at all the visual hallmarks that have continued to define Moon products over the years, particularly those in the 600 plus range. And we've identified them and utilized them in the North Collection. Visual hallmarks like large displays, the curved front panels, for example, the large heat sinks on the side, the triangular pillars, and things like this. I'm very excited and enthusiastic about the North Collection as it represents the single biggest product launch we have done in about a decade. The entire team is equally enthusiastic and excited about the North Collection, as it represents years of culminated research and development allied with decades of experience that will allow us to bring to the consumer this exciting new collection of products.